Hello friends, after 7 days of intense practice with Rubik Cube, I have arrived to this stage and now I can solve Rubik Cube in 5 to 10 minutes. Let's start. I will explain each of the steps step by step. I'm trying to solve a daisy on top, which is yellow center and white cross on top. So I'm trying to form a daisy. That's the first step. So you can see daisy is taking a shape. Yes, it's formed now. Okay, the next step is to solve bottom cross. So I'm with white bottom cross. So white bottom cross is formed now. Now the next step is to solve all the layer 1, which is the bottom layer, in same colors. Okay, so I'm trying to solve it now. So you can see now one is pending. Okay, bottom layer is formed now. Bottom all are same colors. Now I'm trying to solve the layer 2, which is the middle layer. So all the colors should be same for the middle layer, which is second layer. Each of these steps, solving each of these steps has an algorithm, and there are few algorithms. I have chosen the most comfortable one, which I can solve it as a beginner. Okay, now layer 2 is solved. Layer 1 was already solved earlier. Now I'm trying to solve the top yellow cross, which is the next step. This one has a separate algorithm. Now the top yellow cross is solved, it is formed. Now the next step is to solve the top yellow face completely. This one also has a separate algorithm to solve. It's not there yet. Still we need few more steps and few more algorithms. Still not solved yet. Yeah, this is a bottom fish, top fish. So while solving this, we have to match the edges to the corresponding faces. So top yellow cross is solved now, and you will see the edges also, edge pieces are also solved. Okay, so now the top layer, middle edge pieces are remaining, which would be the last step for me to solve this Rubik cube. This one has a very complex algorithm, the last step, and it's a comprehensive one as well. So the top yellow faces is solved, with all the side faces are solved, and the bottom face. You can check now. Yes, done. This is a fun exercise, and it will test your memory and muscle power thoroughly. Thanks everyone for watching my video. Thanks.